Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. This retaining wall was put in quite a while ago, probably when the home was first built. And then they started having some issues with it. They added a drain here. You can see what happens to these drains. This is even a perforated drain, flexible. Shouldn't be in here at all. This thing's just like, look right here. Goes down on the ground about a foot, comes back up. It's right here. Just garbage. Do these right. You got to get this base nice and prepped and compacted. Got to get a nice little layer of gravel in there. And you wrap this actual solid French drain pipe in a sock so no debris can get inside there. Get that guy set it in rock. That way all this water is going to get caught in that drain and come right on down and out the wall. Just showing you what I find. I got quite a few videos to this project. You can follow along at www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch this project and over 2,000 others. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next one.